Hi everybody, back for day 17 of Junk Journal January 2024. Now, whimsical. I had to think about that. When I think whimsical, I think flowers, nice beautiful flowers, and I was thinking that this page would be quite good as a whimsical page. So I did print out another bit of this paper, but I'm not going to use it. I was thinking also back from my very, very early YouTube days, 2017 or 18 maybe, the people that I watched at the start, and I'd like to pay homage to one, which is Artie Mays. So Andrea has been making these just gorgeous little on Buy Me a Coffee, the coffee app thing. These gorgeous little printouts that you can do, but I don't know that I want it there actually. I think so. I've printed out a page, and this is one of the little tuck spots. And they're all just beautiful little flowers, whimsical kind of tags, the way that Andrea makes. It's beautiful. I think it's going to go here. Just tuck that in. No, it actually looks like the design goes this way. That's so cute. Now, there is a tag that you could print out that's on the same page. I'm going to cut it down. So I've backed it with 2 bits of scrap book pages. I'm going to cut this down and see. I think it will fit in there. I was thinking it was a sideways pocket and that it might not fit, but this actually looks like it will be a good fit. Now, I'm a bit whimsical about all the ladies who, who I watched back in the start and who I thought were wonderful and doing wonderful things. And honestly, I think they all gave me a new lease of life. A bit of a purpose, and I wasn't sure what my purpose was. Definitely the purpose is to create. Definitely. There's no argument about that. This cute little tag with beautiful whimsical design on it. The butterfly, the irises, and another little punch. I don't know how many punches we need to have, but apparently I need multiple. There we go. Okay, let's have a little bit of this stuff. This I got from, it's French upholstery from, under the chair, from Lisa Matic. That's where it's from. It's through here. Give it a staple. My book's getting very full. Oh, that's pretty. That's a lovely little spot for it. And I love that this is going to stick up out there. Okay, so there is one other part that was on the printout. And I think I might just put, oh no, do I want to put it there? I could put it over here because then when it's opened out, we can see it. But that's beautiful too. That's just gorgeous. Let's put this one here. Wishes come true. Might be a nice page to write on some wishes. The back of the tag also can have found some of my old offcuts from printmaking when I was at school doing my diploma of visual arts. and I did printmaking as my major, and I've been sticking them through. Now, I did a body of work about the SARS coronavirus, 2015 or 16, and look where we are now. But it's a reminder that that was what I was looking at that year, preempting. This was when it was the very first SARS virus that came out. Anyway, I've been sticking some of those. I'll show you the other bits. So just some little bits throughout. Because it's another reminder of something, you know, that I've done in the past. I think that was all I've stuck in, and just that one. It's a funny thing to have in. It's just, for me personally, it's just a reminder that when I was printmaking, I was working with doilies and printing on doilies, and that I was looking at viruses. That was kind of my thing for the year. But I found some of the offcuts, and it's just a very thick printmaker's card, and I think that I'll just back this tag with some of that. That'll be nice. That little tag will look nice next to the little house. Just put a bit of double up the glue so that there's 2 lots. Now there's a good little writing spot. Let me just give that little corner there a snip. So that's one of Andrea's printables. Thanks, Andrea, for all that you have inspired. And there it is. This is my day 17. There we go. So thank you for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.